Okay, back with the bike. No, it looks the same, but the new shock came in, got that on. That was a hassle. It's just Chinese. It's a high weight, high strength shock, so it's super stiff. We had to make an adapter plate, but turned out pretty nice. Doesn't bounce all over the place now. No, it's nice and stiff. Of course, I didn't get to ride it. I went to start it after that. I had the subframe on, everything. The seat's got a new seat cover now too, so that's good. But I'm happy with the shock, and the seat looks nice. But I went to start it, and it was popping over, and it would start and then stop. And I figured the plug was foul, so I pulled the spark plug. It was a little wet. Cleaned it off, put it in. That didn't work. Tried a different spark plug. It ran for a second and shut off. So something's going on with the carburetor. It might have water in it. Might be getting the mixtures wrong. But I pulled the reeds. I had a new gasket laying out, so figured I might as well. They're carbon fiber reeds, and they look to be in very good shape, I believe. Pretty sure they're good. So, and there's a hook up for the carburetor. It was pretty clean inside the motor. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean these up more, reseal it, use some clear silicone, retighten them. Probably gonna have to take the carburetor off and clean that out again. Kind of sucks, but we went through a lot of work today getting that shock mounted up, and I know it looks funny as it sits, but with the subframe on and everything else, it actually looks pretty good. It looks nice, new and shiny, which it is new and shiny. So I'm gonna mess with that. Air fuel mixture problems, the worst. So, alright, I'm out.